Okay, so for the owners of what year is this, Michael?
2015.
2015 Ford pickup trucks with a 3.5 EcoBoost. It's got about 150,000 miles on this truck, something like that. So it came in with the complaint that he's lost gas mileage. He's got a weird noise coming from underneath the truck, and his turbo, he doesn't have as much power anymore. So we got to looking at this truck, and it had an issue up inside here on the driver's side where the turbo mounts to the exhaust manifold. The weight of the turbo and the catalytic converter are actually putting a pretty good amount of downward pressure on the back corner of this exhaust manifold that has to hold it up and seal to the head, and it puts enough pressure on it to where it snaps off the studs that hold the exhaust manifold tight. So as that occurs, the manifold starts to warp and the gasket blows in the very back corner. And there seems to be a design problem here. I ordered a new manifold that has 3 more bolt holes in it. The original manifold has only 2 bolts on the very last port, which this is the very last port. Don't let those holes deceive you. The factory one only uses that and one of these over here, and it breaks both of those off. The new manifold comes with reinforcement. It comes with a bolt hole here that the old one doesn't have at all, and another one over here that the old manifold doesn't have. And this is going to be an inherent problem because this is not designed well. The new manifold should have been on the truck when it left the factory. So anyway, it's kind of painful to do. It's a painful job, and they hang the turbo, all the weight of the turbo and all the weight of the catalytic converter on the very back corner of this poor little manifold that doesn't have enough bolts in it. So just to give you an idea, this is the kit. This is what you have to purchase to put the right design on your 3.5 Ecotech twin turbo. I'm changing the cooler lines because I don't want to take any chances on having any more problems, because this is buried. This is horrible. This is not fun. It was quite a job. Let me see if I can show you where I was. Clear up in here, inside this motor assembly. A lot of people say that you take the cab off, but that would really jack the bill up, and only one manifold's doing it on this truck. So we've decided that to go in there and suffer the pain and do the job in there. But you Ecotech owners of this V6 twin turbo, watch out, because this is coming your way. Sorry. Wave to him, Michael.